Alright guys, here we go. Going to TFTI San Diego. That's my competition. I may be slightly late for it to set up, but whatever. I'm allowed to be late to my own competition. I make the rules. Anyway, let's get going. I don't remember which ballroom we're in, so I'm just gonna like check what's listed on each of these. Hey guys. Let's go.
I thought San Diego was hot.
It's supposed to be.
That's what they'll tell me.
Competition hasn't even started yet and I already had to change a battery. Alright, time for my first competition of the day. 6x6. Hopefully I make cutoff. I believe it's 5 minutes. Alright, so far this comp I have failed 6x6 because of a pop. And that's Ryan.
Go! You're screaming! Come on!
What are you doing, buddy? What am I doing?
The best event has arrived.
Okay, my Rubik.
2, 1, go!
What is with it? Yeah, I know it's so weird. Like, put your feet on it and it's gonna be gone. What? They're too white.
Hey,
What? Yeah, then you take out all these
that's
white
okay.
stuff.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Just soft.
I don't know. Look at it. It's not solvable. Look at this.
What?
Wait, what? What?
What?
You can't.
What are you talking about? You just do TTLL.
Okay, DNF. Ready?
You just got pranked! Wait, why is the timer still? Yay, thank you.
Oh boy. You guys are gonna get to see how much my signature changes from time to time. Yeah, it's an iPhone 7. They're a lot bigger. They got a bigger screen than the screen's actually smaller, but it's got a really powerful processor. So. How do you feel about your sub 120 megaminutes average?
I don't practice that event. It's stupid anyways.
All right, guys. So what are we doing?
What?
What are we doing?
We're going to Tapioca Express.
We're on a mission.
Tapioca Express?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tap X.
Tap X. It's like when you're playing a video game on Xbox or whatever.
Tap X. Oh, I get it.
Oh god.
Jokes.
Oh no. Henry's just lonely. I feel so bad. Alright, so these two don't match, so I know like I'm gonna get like a crap PLL. Like that. And I hope like, I get like a good one. This one's good, so I'm gonna go like
I know I'm gonna get a crap PLL, so I hope I'm gonna get a good one. What does that mean, Nathan?
Oh, I said it wrong.
We are starting OH soon. We'll see how that goes.
All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. You have fun with that.
Don't record anything dumb.
You're dumb.
I'm so tired.
I don't like one-handed.
I got a 9999 single and it's my comp PB.
99999999999.
Stop saying no to me in German.
Kevin.exe has a stop working.
All right, it's just about time for me to compete in OH round 2. I got a sub 14 average the first round. I'm gonna go for that again, and then again, and again. That would be if we had 4 rounds, but in any case, I'm gonna do that at least the next 2 rounds. Max Park just set the one-handed United States record with an 11.24 average, and that's Henry.
What is it?
10. That's good though. That's a low 10. What is it? What is it? Yeah, this is one-handed.
He got a 9. He got a 9 and you guys missed it. What the?
Can I see it? Can I see
420. Not yet.
Yeah. Get the world make potential close to world record.
What just happened?
Likely new NAR. Or sorry, new NR.
1059 average.
10.
420. What is wrong with this?
Yeah,
10:59 stuff.
Is it world record? Wait, that's a world
What?
Wait, is 1059?
I don't know.
It might be. It might be.
You got the world record at 420. Nice.
We'll see.
That's blazing fast.
Not Kevin, that's a world record.
Congratulations to Max Park for setting the world record. With a 10.59 average.
Hey, Max. Nice job.
Wow, you actually did it. This is getting ridiculous.
Most German single.
Moving on to some of the other awards. This one goes to Elijah Brown, who has placed first in the most German single event with the result of 9999. This one goes to Nathan Soria, who has placed first in the sub 120 megahertz average event. This one goes to Michael Young, who has placed first in the least Kevin event with the result of not Kevin. This one goes to Kevin Matthews, who has placed first in the most Kevin event with the result of Kevin. And this one goes to Kevin King of Miracle, who has placed first in the closest to Kevin event with the result of Kevin.
All right, so the competition is over. We're leaving now. She was helpful. I taught her how to judge and then made her work when I didn't want to. So that was fun. Yeah, good competition. Got a one-handed world record set. Now I've seen 2 world records set. That would be Tim Wong's FMC one and Max Park's OH.
Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
It's dark.
You tell me where we're going.
Where's your car?
That's a good question. Oh, I know how to get there. Okay, we're gonna go to the car.